Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to make hot and spicy chicken wings. It's a chicken appetizer. You can eat it any time of the day. These are 5-pound frozen chicken wings. I washed the chicken wings in cold water and there is no more ice. The ingredients we needed: 1 onion, 1 inch ginger, 3 green chili, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon Anardana, which is pomegranate seed, Kashmiri mint, 1 teaspoon, salt will be to taste, I'm using 2 teaspoons, cumin powder, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon each, and 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Marinating a chicken will be 2-step process. The first step will be marinating with the baking powder, and once we mix with the baking powder, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Then all other ingredients along with onion, ginger, garlic and green chili, we're going to make a smooth paste. Get a big mixing bowl. We'll bring chicken wings and baking powder, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, set it aside for 10 minutes. I'm going to use the food processor and I'll bring all ingredients: onion, ginger, green chili, garlic cloves, oil. Now I'm going to start it. It's all done. I'm going to bring all the spices. It's a good idea to mix all the dry ingredients with our paste: coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri mint powder, Anardana powder, salt, and red chili flake. And we're going to mix it well. So Kashmiri mint gives us a nice color. We are all done. So this is how nice smooth paste looks. We're going to mix it again. We let the chicken sit for 10 minutes. It's nicely combined. Now I'm going to bring our spices. This is going to be real hot and spicy. And now we're going to mix it well. It's always a good idea when you marinate, you let it sit for a longer period of time. It's looking really nice. I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Longer the better, but I'll marinate for 2 hours. Chicken wings are marinated for 2 hours. I just took it out of the fridge and we're going to mix it one more time before we place it on our tray. And we're going to place the chicken wings on top of it. Now we're going to take this one to our oven. I have my oven preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful when you open it. And it's hot and boiling water. I'm going to place the tray on top of it. And I'll turn the light on. You can see the chicken wings inside. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes. We're going to turn the chicken wings over and we'll cook additional 10 minutes. It's exactly 30 minutes cooking. And I'm going to open it. Be careful. And I'm going to turn the chicken wings over just like this, real quick. If you haven't cooked with the steam, please try it. This way you will get the most tender, juicy and moist chicken. If you always complain that when you cook in oven, your chicken turns to dry, this way it will give you moist chicken and you're going to like it. Please try and comment below how it turned out for you. And we're going to keep the same temperature. And now we're going to cook additional 10 minutes on this side. Another 10 minutes of cooking, altogether 40 minutes. I'm going to turn off and we're going to let it rest for 5 more minutes before we're going to take it out. Waiting for another 5 minutes. It's cooled down. Now I'm going to open it. Just be careful when you open it. It's going to be real hot and steamy. And I'm going to pull these chicken wings out. They are so moist and so juicy. Look at how delicious they look. Our delicious hot and spicy chicken wing. Before serving, you always can add dry cilantro. I hope you like this recipe. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.